Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your address on the Postmates app. Maybe you're going to an Airbnb or maybe you're at a vacation. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Postmates. Then click on the address in the top left-hand corner. So this is where you're going to enter a new address. So click on the new address, and when you enter that new address, you can see that the restaurants and the grocery stores tend to auto-populate with nearby restaurants and grocery stores. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your address on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.